Hi, my name is Steffi and I'm a software developer and machine learning engineer in the making. And today I'd like to talk to you about a passion project of mine that has been sitting in the corner around for 2 years, and I'm really excited because it's my baby. And it's called Devconnect. And the idea behind it is to create a mentoring community where people can meet for hands-on mentoring and coding on projects together. But before I dive deeper into this, I quickly want to answer a question that some of you might have, and that is, why mentoring? And to answer this question, I first have to quickly tell you about how I became a software developer. So, my mum is actually a software developer, but she never talked about her job at home. So naturally, I never knew what it was like to make your living as a coder. And so when I finished high school, I went on a backpacking trip to Southeast Asia for 6 months, where I met my partner. And he was actually the one, after having long talks with me, who suggested that this might be something that I could enjoy. And I thought, why not try it? And what he did there for me was to change my perspective on what I could do with my life. And I think that this is actually the essence of mentoring for me. And you might think, okay, well, but isn't mentoring about like helping somebody out or teaching something, learning something? And I think, yeah, you're right, but in the end, if we learn something new, the changes that happen inside our brains, the connections between our neurons, they make us automatically change our perspective about the world. Sometimes we don't even realize it. And I think also that learning to code, you have so many resources nowadays to do it. You have online tutorials and videos and so many great people teaching you, but having a community that supports you and mentors that support you is really important on your journey. And that's why we want to create a mentoring community that is supportive and diverse, where people can work on projects that they care about, that they're passionate about, and to foster learning. And for this, we have to find different roles. We have mentors and mentees who will make up the project teams, and there will be 3 to 5 people in each team. And the mentors should be ideally someone who has experience in the industry, has worked in IT for some while, and can share their knowledge about the technology. And the mentees can really be anyone who's interested in like changing their view about the technology or learning to code at all, or learning a new framework, for instance. And then each team will also have a team coach, because I think it's important to have someone to help you set up and to help you keep the ball rolling and stay motivated along the way. And also to give us feedback, and by us I mean the organizers. And of course, we're like tweeting and updating our social media presence, but our real responsibility is to organize meetups and regular coding sessions where the teams can meet to code on their projects. And so you might ask, what's missing from this? And why am I telling you this? And I think it's you, because to create a community we need more people, right? So I'd like you to get involved, whether it's just as a follower on social media, or whether you want to become a mentor, mentee, or even team coach or organizer. And obviously we also need sponsors to host our meetups. And so please join us. And because I think in a time where populism and polarization is on the rise, it's important that we teach each other and we create the world we want to live in, and grow our community of passionate developers together. Thank you.
I was so looking forward to ring that bell.